Revoobit has been guided by a simple yet powerful motto. One vision, one vision, one system, one.
I am confident that Revoobit will continue to break new grounds, not just here in Malaysia, but across international borders.
Tonight, we gather from 13 different countries to celebrate 61 exceptional achievers.
Born from years of research and cooperation, Miiralife has increased our commitment to pioneering technology.
As they truly reflect the spirit of unity, growth, and success. Tonight, we celebrate how far we have come. From a small team with a big dream to a thriving organization that continues to push boundaries and drive innovations.